Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews on the latest products hitting the market. Today, we're diving into the world of cosplay with a spotlight on what could arguably be the best Len wig out there. Yes, we're talking about the Kadiya blonde short cosplay wig heat-resistant synthetic hair. Let's get into it. Now, what makes this wig stand out from the rest? Let's break it down. Firstly, the quality. Crafted from high-quality, high-temperature resistant synthetic hair, this wig not only looks the part but also withstands the heat, ensuring durability through your longest cosplay events. But wait, there's more. The natural-looking and soft touch of this wig make it a dream to wear. Whether you're channeling Len from your favorite anime or simply looking to switch up your style for a party, this wig has got you covered. And let's talk versatility. Suitable for both men and women, this wig isn't just limited to one character. With its fashion-forward design, it's perfect for a range of cosplay looks, from Len to your favorite anime or video game characters. So, whether you're an experienced cosplayer or just starting out, the Kadiya blonde short cosplay wig is a must-have addition to your collection. With its unbeatable quality, versatility, and comfort, it's no wonder why it's earning rave reviews. That wraps up today's review. If you're interested in getting your hands on this fantastic Len wig, be sure to check out the link in the description below. And as always, don't forget to subscribe to Product Critique for more insightful reviews on the products you love. Until next time, happy cosplaying!